Hello, so we're going to look at the products that the Quick Start Wizard has created on your site. So you can see here there's 3 product types. There's a free, subscription and single. So we'll look at each product type in more detail in separate tutorials. In this video we're just going to look at the general product settings. So let's have a look at the free product. So in the product settings you can see there's an option for title, there's an option to add a description, and then there's an option here for adding an image for the product, so we can actually choose an image from the media library or upload a file. Further down there's the page options, so here we can see the sales page, the thank you page, login page and product homepage. These have all been set by the Quick Start Wizard with the pages that have been created. And if you've run the fast funnel, then the pages will have been set in a sequence. So for example here there's a sales page for the sign up product, and then the thank you page of the free product is actually the sales page of the next product, which is the subscription product. So basically your customers will be taken through an optimized upsell sequence based on how many products you've actually added in the wizard. Further down are the actual membership types. So in this instance it's a free product, and you can see here there's some options for the free product for the expiry and the login options. If you change the product type, you can see it changes the product options, for example the price and the expiry, and then with the subscription there's some different options. So if I just put it back to a free product, and then further down you can see there's an option here for a bundle, so we can choose whether we want to have a bundle of products. So when they purchase or sign up for this product, they'll get access to any of the other products that you add in the bundle. And then further down we can see the membership roles. So these are the default WordPress roles, and we can set a user role for the member when they sign up. Generally we suggest to leave this on subscriber, as this is a more advanced feature and we don't really need to worry about that. Further down below that are the non-member actions. So basically this is what happens when a non-member tries to visit a members only content page. So you can choose whether they are redirected to a login page, a sales page, they're shown a custom message, or they are shown the default message, or you can redirect them to a custom page or post, so you can choose one of those here. And then if we move on to the Autoresponder tab, this is where we actually set the Autoresponder integration. So depending on which Autoresponder platform you're using, you'll see the options appear in this drop down here. At the moment we're just using the custom form code, so we can paste in a HTML form code and it will sign the user up to that email list. And then moving on to the content templates, this is the message that will be shown to your members if they're trying to view restricted content that has been protected using the fast member blocks or the shortcodes. And then here are the email notifications. At the top of the page is the sender name and the sender email. These are pulled in from the fast member settings in the fastflow dashboard, which you set up when you first configured fast member. Below that is the welcome message, so this can be turned on and off with this selection here, and the content of the welcome message is customized here. You've got these customization tags that will actually add in a tag if you click on one of them. So for example pass will add in the password. So the message has been pre-configured. It can be modified as HTML as well. If you select text you can just paste in some HTML and that will replace what you've got here, and then you can see the visual preview here. And then you can send a test message at the bottom of the page to test how that looks when it's sent to a user. Below that are some other messages, so depending on what configuration options you've got, in this instance it's a free product with a verification email, so you'll see the confirmation message. If it's a different type of product, then you won't have the confirmation email, it'll have a different type of message. And then on the final tab is the integration options. So you can see here we've got some built-in integrations, which is ClickBank, JVZoo, Warrior Plus, and there's more detailed tutorials on each of those. And then there's the fast tags integration. So when you first set up your site you won't see any tags here. In this instance I've added a test tag, which was the free product tag. So we can basically come in here and add tags, and they'll appear in the fast tags option here. And then once you've added a tag you can select it, and once you save that product the tag will be saved with the product. We can also quick add tags, so we can add a specific other tag for this. Just call this new tag, and then if we click on that and update the product, you see the tag has been added, and it will also be added in the fast tags over here. So this should give you a quick overview of the product settings. In separate videos, I'm going to go through the actual product membership types. So we've got the one-time payment, the payment subscription, and the free product settings. So make sure you check out the specific videos for each of those product types.